Have you ever had a conversation with someone but lost interest because it didn't get to the point of the conversation? Delaying the important information in your video will kill your audience retention. The first 30 seconds of your video will determine if your viewers will keep watching. But how do you keep them watching in the first 30 seconds? Use a curiosity hook, such as making a bold statement, asking a question, teasing about what's coming up later in the video, or telling a story like I used at the beginning of this video. Keep watching as I reveal 4 other surprising mistakes that will kill your audience retention and how to fix them. When you have a one-way conversation with someone, it's not really a conversation because there's no give and take. If you want viewers to keep watching your video all the way through, you need to re-engage with them. But how can you keep them engaged? You can ask them a question such as, what do you do to keep viewers engaged on your video? Post your answer in the comments below. You can also add another curiosity hook. For example, later I'll show you how to spot the downturns in viewer interest on your videos. Other ways to re-engage your viewers is to add graphics, use transitions, or even use props. If you're making a list type video such as this one, you can re-engage your viewers by mentioning the next point on your list. When you study audience retention data in YouTube Analytics, you'll be able to identify what needs to be improved and what needs to be rejected so you can make a better video in the future. If you click on the Engagement tab for an individual video in YouTube Analytics, you'll be able to see the key moments for audience retention. You've got the intro where people are still watching around the 30-second mark. You've got top moments where viewers are watching for longer than usual. Spikes appear when more viewers are watching, rewatching, or sharing moments of your video. Dips in your audience retention graph means viewers are abandoning or skipping certain parts of your video. This could be due to waffling, departing from your main content, or providing too much content so your viewers are bored. When you make your next video, try to eliminate the factors that cause viewers to abandon or skip certain parts of your content. This will improve your audience retention because your viewers are more engaged in your content. Here's how to view the key moments for audience retention for the videos on your channel over the last 365 days. Click on Analytics in YouTube Studio, then under the Content tab, select Videos. Scroll down where it says Key Moments for Audience Retention. It's got above Typical Intros and below Typical Intros. On the right, you got the intro, top moments, spikes, and dips. If you click on top moments, it'll show the videos with the top moments for audience retention. If I click on spikes, it shows my top video with the largest spikes. If I click on dips, it'll show all the videos that got dips for audience retention. If you want to remove the dips of videos you've already uploaded to YouTube so you can improve their audience retention, use the YouTube video editor to remove those sections. Here's how to trim the start or end of your video. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio, then select the video that you wish to edit. Click Details, click Editor, click Trim and Cut. A blue box will appear around the editor. If you want to remove a beginning section, just move the slider to the right. If you want to remove an end section, just move the slider to the left. Anything that's not in the box will be removed from the video. When you're finished editing the video, just click Save. Keep in mind your video's URL, view count, and comments remain unchanged. However, the video must be shorter than 6 hours and have less than 100,000 views. Here's how to remove a section or multiple sections from your video. Click on Trim and Cut, click New Cut. A red box will appear in the editor. Drag the sides of the red box to the section that you wish to remove from the video. Anything not in the red box will remain in the video. To confirm your edits, just select Cut. If you want to cancel, just click the X sign. You can also preview your edits by clicking on Preview. I'm going to click Cut. Then to save your edits, just click Save. If you want to discard your changes, click Discard Changes, or you can click the trash icon. If you want to remove another section, just click New Cut. Then just drag the handles to where you want to cut the video. Then to save your edits, just click Save. If you want to revert back to the original video, just click the 3 dots that says Options and click Revert to Original. You also have the option to download your edited video, then upload it again to publish the changes. Keep in mind it might take a few hours for your edited video to finish processing. When you wrap up the end of the video by saying something like, "Thanks for watching," or "That's all I have for you now," it signals the end of your video. Instead, you want to keep viewers watching by encouraging them to watch a related video. If a viewer watches multiple videos on your channel in one session, it extends the watch time for that viewing session. This increases the probability of your video getting recommended by YouTube, which leads to more traffic. When your content is disorganized and doesn't flow from one point to the next, it's hard to keep your viewers engaged, which kills your audience retention rate. Start your video with a strong hook, such as a personal story that relates to the content of your video. then get straight into the media content to keep the viewers engaged. End your video with a strong call to action, such as inviting viewers to watch a related video. You can do this by creating an end screen in the last 20 seconds of your video and linking to a related video or playlist. Here's a hot tip to improve your audience retention. If you find that viewers are losing interest halfway through your video because you see a dip in your audience retention graph, shorten the length of your next video. If you want to know how to trigger the YouTube algorithm so you can get millions of views, watch this video on the screen right now on 7 insider tips to trigger the YouTube algorithm. You'll be glad you did.